Petroleum Refinery and Petrochemicals have initiated legal proceedings against multiple petroleum importing companies, but recent updates suggest moves towards an amicable resolution. Initially, Dangote Refinery approached the Federal High Court in Abuja, seeking to invalidate import licenses issued to several companies, including the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Limited. The suit demanded 100 billion naira in damages against the Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority. According to court documents, the refinery challenge stems from NMDPRA's decision to issue import licenses, despite Dangote production capacity reportedly exceeding the country's daily consumption needs for products such as automotive gas oil and jet fuel. Ahmed Hashim, the Group General Manager of Government and Strategic Relations at Dangote Refinery, stated that these import licenses adversely affect their operations, following substantial investments in billions of US dollars. However, in a recent statement by Anthony Chiejine, Dangote's Group Chief Branding and Communications Officer, the company revealed that settlement discussions are underway. This development follows President Bola Tinubu's directive on crude oil and refined product sales in Naira, which received Federal Executive Council approval. The case, which began in June and was formally filed in September 2024, is scheduled for January 2025. According to legal representatives, including senior advocate Judge Ibrahim, all parties have expressed interest in pursuing an out-of-court settlement. Justice Iyang Ekwo has adjourned the matter until January 20, 2025, awaiting a settlement report. Meanwhile, no court orders have been issued, and neither party has been served with court processes. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.